Hello, boys and girls. Today we will study about some animals. Animals that we see in a farm. Okay, let's start. These are the farm animals that we will study today. Let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 farm animals that we will study today. Okay, we'll start with number 1. Okay, this is a turkey. One more time, turkey. Let's spell turkey. 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 Okay, this is a turkey. The next one, sheep. Sheep. Okay, the sheep here, the sheep is white. Okay, this is a sheep. Let's spell sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Okay, next, number 3. This is number 3. Horse. One more time, horse. Okay, H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Okay, normally horses run very, very fast. Okay, next, number 4. Cow. Cow. Let's spell cow. C-O-W. Cow. This is the animal that gives us milk. Okay, cows give us milk. Next, number 5. Goat. One more time, goat. Let's spell goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Okay, next, rabbit. One more time, rabbit. Let's spell rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Okay, next, pig. Pig. Okay, let's spell pig. P-I-G. One more time, P-I-G. Okay, next, rooster. Rooster. Rooster is a chicken that has a sound in the morning, that makes a sound in the morning. Okay, let's spell rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Okay, this is normally the father chicken. Okay, the father of the chickens, the chicks, sorry, the father of the chicks. Next, this is the mother. Hen. Hen. Let's spell hen. H-E-N. Hen. Okay, the hen lays eggs. The last one, number 10. Duck. Duck. Let's spell duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay, now boys and girls, let's review the animals one more time. Turkey. Turkey. Sheep. Sheep. Horse. Horse. Cow. Cow. Goat. Goat. Rabbit. rabbit, pig, pig, rooster, rooster, hen, hen, duck, duck. Okay, let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 most common animals we see in a farm. Okay, so that's it for today, boys and girls. I hope you will always remember the things that we have studied each day. Until next time, goodbye, boys and girls. Bye-bye.